I designed this portfolio for software engineers, dark theme, generated avatar, scroll animations, all in Next.js. Let me show you what it does, then a quick look at how it's built. This avatar isn't a photo, it's a generated image from code. The skills marquee is an infinite scrolling skill ticker. The project card is a 3D built animated icon. These tilt in 3D toward your cursor and the cover art is generated too. The experience timeline animates in as you scroll. The contact has a glowing click to action to close it out. And one more thing, there's a progress bar at the top tracking scroll position of the page. And one more thing, when you open the page, you see a flash before everything is revealed. Now to the code. Every section in the code is its own components. All the text lives in one file, projects lives in a separate JSON file, and the whole color theme is a handful of variables in one CSS file. That's basically the whole structure. First of all, the config.js file. It has the name, the bio, social skills, work history, all the site's text content lives here in one place. Then the avatar. The avatar is a generated image from a random seed, not an uploaded photo. Change the seed, get a new design instantly. This is the code for the avatar.tsx file. The hero.tsx. The hero.tsx file is the place where the letter by letter animation and the glowing background blob are built using the framer motion. This is the code for it. Now the projects card. The projects card is the place where the 3D tilt on hover effect for the projects card is built. It tracks the mouse and rotates the cards toward it. This is the code for it. And we are here, so I'll show you how the projects are loaded into the portfolio. We go into the data, and here is the projects.json file. It contains all the projects that we have in our portfolio. Now for the smooth scroll and scroll progress. So the smooth scroll.tsx is the file to generate a smooth inertia scrolling powered by a library called Linus. And we also have the scroll progress, the top bar that shows the progress for the page. The about.tsx file contains the same scroll triggered fade in pattern so the whole site feels consistent as you scroll through it. About, experience, contact, and the projects. They all share the same scroll triggered fade in pattern so the whole site feels consistent. Now coming to the CSS. The entire color theme, background, text, and the gradient comes from the above 5 variables at the top of the file. Change those and the whole site recolors. Now the brand flash on page load. The pageenter.tsx file is responsible for the brand layout that shows up on the flash when the page is loaded. And the custom cursor is created by the custom cursor fx.tsx file. This file is responsible for changing the cursor on the portfolio. This will only work on desktop and it won't work when the portfolio is loaded on a mobile. That's the whole build. Generated avatars, JSON-driven projects, scroll animations throughout, and a theme you can recolor in one file. Thank you.